Hello, everybody. As you guys can see, I just colored my hair. And the great thing about when I color my hair is if I don't like it, I will throw a wig on. I actually love this hair, but you know, I like to switch it up. You guys see our walls are completely full behind us, and we're having another sale. So this is the wig that I am wearing for my special occasion coming up. We will be having a sale coming up next week. It will actually start on, what's today? Today's the 2nd. I think the sale starts on tomorrow, the 3rd, all the way until the 11th. It will be $100 off all wigs. We just custom colored this beauty. Y'all know when I'm going to play in the water, I love a nice curly wig so I can just jump off some waterfalls and go and be cute and have cute curly fun hair. So this will be my next wig. Who's yelling outside? So y'all see this wig here. I'm making sure she's nice and securely on. Let me fix the band underneath. So let me know if you guys have any questions. We of course do custom coloring here. We have hundreds of glueless lace wigs in stock. Our hair quality is untouchable. We have the best quality of hair here in store. I invite you to come in and touch and smell and feel the difference. Okay, there we go. Always make sure to untuck your lace right in the front. Okay, so there we go. So if I was ready to just go and do it, boom, boom, boom. There we go. So there's this beautiful color here. I love how she came out. What do you guys think of the color? I love it, I love it, I love it. This is a 20-inch curly wig. Yes, I can change the part, but what I'm doing right now is I'm just cutting a few layers right into the front here. So this is how I like to cut layers into my hair. Sometimes I will do layers all the way throughout. Sometimes I will just cut a few layers right in the front. So since this wig is pretty short, it's short for me, I'm actually going to just cut a little bit of layers right here in the front and go from there. I will see you soon. I'll call tomorrow. So I'm just cutting a few little layers right here in the front. Do we have a, never mind. I was gonna say a spray bottle, but I don't need to really wet it. Thank you. And when you purchase a wig from us, styling is included. So if you want us to cut a few layers in your wig, we will gladly do that for you. I'm just cutting a few layers just to frame my face here. So one thing that I do get a lot of compliments on is our curly hair. because a lot of times when you get curly hair from other companies, it starts to like change. It gets hard and crusty and starts to tangle. Our hair does not do that. Our hair looks, the textures won't change on you. I stand by having quality hair. And yeah, that's why I'm able to have this business that God has blessed me with. We do lots of medical reimbursement. So if you have hair loss issues and want to know how to get your wig covered by your insurance or a few other programs that we work with, contact us. Go on our website, magichaircompany.com, and you can get started with figuring out how we can help you through our medical reimbursement process. I'm getting all the certifications so that way I can get different sorts of different ways and different avenues to help ladies cover their wigs, because most of my clients are experiencing some sort of hair loss issue. Okay, so I think that's good for my layers. Yeah, that's pretty good for me. Actually, I will cut a few more layers. So yeah, this is easy vacation hair for me. I love curly hair for vacations, especially if I'm doing water activity, which those of you that know me know that I love to travel. I love to jump off waterfalls. If there's some sort of water adventure, I'm going to do it. So I'm going to cut a few more layers here. And that's it. I'm just really cutting some framing layers around the face here. And then I'm good to go. So if you're going on vacation, get you some quality hair. You don't want to be that person on vacation that takes forever to get ready because they have cheap hair. Cut it out. You done paid all this money for this vacation and now you can't get in the water. Don't be that friend. Get you some quality hair that will outlast the vacation and look great. Okay, let me get some water to spray this down. This is the back. And yeah, let me get some water so I can spray this down. I love my curly hair. Okay. So, and yes, my wig is glueless. It's not glued down. And yes, my hair is purple and pink underneath. Okay, so now I'm going to wet her down. And that's it. She is good to go. So in here I have a little bit of our Magic Hair Company Secret Serum. I call it Secret Serum because, ooh, spray me all in the face there. Because we are introducing our hair care product line again. You wanna make sure your hair is thoroughly saturated. And there you go. Quality curly hair should not take a million hours to maintain. Hydrate it, and that's it. You're good to go. Add in a little bit of water, and that's it. If you have quality curly hair, it should not take you a long time to hydrate and maintain it. This is why I wear curly hair on vacation. If I'm jumping in the pool or whatever, I'm ready to go. You're not waiting on me to get ready. My hair came ready because it's the Magic Hair Company. So yeah, I love it. Shop with us, ladies, if you want quality hair, if you're looking for glueless wigs, lace wigs. We are open here in Culver City. I am the owner. Yes, we are Black owned. We're open every day except for Sunday. We are currently having a sale. Our current sale right now is $100 off wigs. We do have our vendor list available now. I love this curly hair. I love it, I love it, I love it. And you're not going to get globs and globs of hair either when you're wetting your hair. I might get a few strands right now just because I just trimmed my hair. But with quality curly hair, you're not going to get globs of hair coming out when you run your fingers through your hair. You should never get globs of hair. Our hair doesn't dry out, it doesn't break off. When you get a quality wig from us, it's going to last you. My wigs are made to last. Hence why I have this beautiful store here in Culver City, which is very expensive. So for those of you that don't know where Culver City is, we're in California and LA, kind of by Beverly Hills-ish. So it's expensive. And I'm the OG business owner around here, so I must be doing something right. But yeah, that's it. So my hair has been shaped. You see how I framed the face there? You see how easy this is to maintain? You see I added a little bit of water, hydrated her. I can definitely change my parts if I wanted. Let me see if I have a comb here so I can change my part for you ladies. I don't, but you guys know you can change the part on any of our wigs however you want. Let me clean that up and show you guys. So if you want to wear a side part, you can. I just need to do like a more straight part with a comb or something. If I wanted to do a side part, if I wanted to show some baby hair, I could. And that's it, everybody. So we're having our $100 off each wig sale for about the next week. There's no code needed at checkout. Thank you everybody for watching. If you want a quality wig, shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. Our wigs can only be found at magichaircompany.com or here in our Culver City store. We don't sell our wigs anywhere but on our website. Thank you for watching. Check out our sale. Let us know if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns. All right, guys, I am about to get out of here, and I just want to show you guys what I was working on. Let me know if you have any questions. Our vendor list is live on our website. That does come with some mentoring from me. So if you are looking to get in the beauty industry, or if you're already in the beauty industry and you would like for me to be your mentor, check out our vendor list. Let me know how I can help you and assist you. Come shop with us here in our Culver City store. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Bye.